Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. So today I'll be showing you how you can open up a bank account online on US Bank. But before we learn to do that, don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more videos like this, and don't forget to leave a like on this video. So let's get started. So first you go to Google and then you search US Bank. usbank.com is the official website of US Bank. You click on that link and you'll be brought onto this website. So here on the top you can see personal wealth management business. You will choose the type of account it is. So it's personal account, and you have the kind of bank accounts you can open. So if it's other option that you want, you choose the one that fits you. So let's say you want a savings account, you click on savings account and you'll be brought onto this page. And here down here you can see, if you scroll down, different options for savings account with minimum opening deposit and monthly maintenance fee. You choose the plan that best fits you, and then you click on apply now. So once you do that, you'll be brought onto this another page. So here you'll enter your name and your last name, and you'll enter your email address, you'll enter your phone number, and then click on save and continue. And after that, you'll enter your date of birth over here, then your social security number or a taxpayer identification number, then you'll enter your full address. You'll choose the country of citizenship that you have. You'll choose your country of permanent residence, and if you have a dual citizenship, you will choose that, and you will save and continue. And after that, you'll have to enter a few more details about account, the kind of account that you want to open, and the funding that you get, your sources of income, if this is going to be a joint account. And after that, agreeing to a few terms and conditions laid out by the bank, you will submit the application and your bank account will be up and running. So it's very easy to open up a bank account online. I hope this video helps you. Thank you so much for watching this video. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more videos like this, and don't forget to leave a like. Thanks guys. Bye.